Isang umuusbong na bituin ng Philippine boxing na nagngangalang Weljon Mindoro alias Triggerman ay tuluyang nakakuha ng atensyon sa kanyang unang laban sa Estados Unidos matapos na nakapagtala ng isang dominanteng knockout victory laban sa English fighter na si Tyler Goodjan na kinilala sa alias na Tornado sa ibabaw ng lona ng bansang England. Ang kanilang 8 rounds middleweight bout ay ginanap nga sa Probox TV Event Center sa Plant City, Florida noong July 10, 2024 at naging mas maikli nga ang laban kaysa sa inasahan ng karamihan. Si Weljon Mindoro na nasa 24 na taong gulang at tubong dumingag sa Zamboanga del Sur ay nagpakita ng hindi matatawarang lakas at bilis sa loob ng ring. Sa mga panahong ito, bit-bit ng ating kababayan ang kanyang impresibong kartada na nagtala ito ng 11 panalo at lahat ng ito ay naipinalo niya via knockouts at isang draw. Isang ang undefeated knockout artist itong ating kababayan mga idol at isang orthodox stance na nangunguna sa listahan ng mga kasalukuyang Pinoy boxer na naglalaro sa middleweight division. Samantalang ang kanyang kalaban ay may record ring 13 panalo at 4 sa panalong ito ay nakuha niya via knockouts at 5 talo.
Last boxing fight was 2017. Gentlemen, he was stripped for talking about the way he cut weight. UK Commission, all the toughness he learned in training. That's what's carrying me to yeah, he did. He had some success over there. He was really successful over there and did very well. That's good. He really figured for you. Salt Bass and Saunas on a podcast they called it.
Mula pa lamang sa simula ng laban, ipinakita na ni Mindoro ang kanyang determinasyon at agresibong estilo ng pakikipaglaban na siyang nagpahirap kay Goodjan na makakuha ng tamang ritmo. Ang laban na inasahang tatagal ng 8 rounds ay nagwakas sa loob lamang ng ikalawang round matapos mapabagsak ni Mindoro si Goodjan ng 3 beses.
Uppercut, you talked about getting the respect, Paul. Gotta back him up. That's a good start. Space. Round number 2. Distance. He's won 9 times in victory. He's won by decision. He's 13 minutes.
He's an 18-fight pro, showing that experience that he has with 6 bare-knuckle fights as well. So a ton of experience with Goodjan and trying to use that to take advantage of
I shot Mindoro and I was like, all right, I got a crazy guy in front of me.
Also, he's backing to punch him up. A lot of his punches get punched the same way when they're on the other kind of fight. It's all an uppercut there from Mindoro.
You know, you gotta understand, you gotta use these knockout wins. He's a guy who also has been used to hitting guys like this and they go away. And instead, Goodjan not only hasn't gone away, he's getting in his face. There's a psychological ploy here. Oh, you gotta deal with guys like this. Sometimes you're not gonna be able to deal with them. Let's see if Mindoro is able to deal with Goodjan, who now is growing into confidence. Greatest quotes I ever heard about boxing. Intimidator feels to intimidate. Goodjan is doing a great job putting blood to pressure.
Ang unang knockdown ay dumating sa kalagitnaan ng oras ay ikalawang round kung saan isang matinding kombinasyon mula kay Mindoro ang nagpasinda kay Goodjan. Hindi pa halos nakakabangon si Goodjan. Isa pang malakas na suntok mula kay Mindoro ang muli nitong inabutan. Makalipas lamang ang ilang segundo. At sa puntong ito, kitang-kita nga na nahihirapan na makabawi si Goodjan. Subalit sa kabila ng kanyang pagsusumikap na lumaban, hindi pa rin siya nakatakas sa isa pang malakas na kaliwang hook mula sa ating kababayan na nagpadala sa kanya muli sa ikatlong pagkakataong knockdown.
Judging doing well. There it is. It's not catch and shoot. He was actually, sometimes he gets too confident. He was getting confident. He was starting to put the numbers together. And then after that, no holding. He still could.
Hindi na nga nagatubili ang referee na itigil ang laban matapos ang huling knockdown. Dahil kitang-kita naman na hindi na nga kaya ni Tyler Goodjan na ipagpatuloy pa ang bakbakan. Dahil dito, ipinagwagi ni Mindoro ang laban sa pamamagitan ng technical knockout na nagpatibay sa kanyang kartada sa 12 panalo na lahat ay mula sa knockout at walang talo maliban sa isang draw. Samantala, bumagsak naman ang kartada ng kanyang kalaban sa 13 panalo at 6 na talo.
Fights like he lives. A little bit fast, a little bit crazy. I can say, oh man, this guy's not going away. He's getting in my face. How do I adjust? Well, you know what? He adjusted very well. Using the defense to transfer to the offense. Catch and shoot.
Ang impresibong pagtatanghal ni Mindoro ay hindi lamang nagbigay ng karagdagang sigla sa kanyang karera, kundi ipinakita rin niya ang kanyang potensyal na maging isa sa mga susunod na malalaking pangalan sa larangan ng larong palakasan. Ang kanyang pambihirang lakas, disiplina at determinasyon ay nagpapatunay na siya ay isang manlalaban na dapat bantayan hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi pati na rin sa pangkalahatang entablado.
Number 2 for your winner by knockout and still undefeated, Well John Triggerman Montoya.